Right, so the healing power of chakras. Well, when we are able to master ourselves beyond our physical body, we open our life beyond our physical limits. So, what exactly does that mean? If you look carefully right now beyond your skin deep body into the nerves, the bones, the cells, have you ever wondered what exactly are they carrying within them? And energy, precisely, they are all carrying flows of energy. We are all made of energy. So to truly appreciate meditation, I don't need you to start appreciating that you and I and this world and everything else that we are seeing, feeling, touching, they are all made of energy waves and frequencies, and therefore our life flows incessantly with energy we are going through. Well, what happens when our energy is blocked? Our life generally stops. So you will start feeling or experiencing challenges, resistance, disharmony, a lot of emotional issues, and generally we call this unhappiness. So today I'm going to share with you the 7 major chakras, which are the most important energy centers within our body. So what are the 7 major chakras? They are located all the way from the top of our crown to the base, which is the root chakra. Well, the crown chakra, all the 5 chakras, the throat, heart, solar plexus, sacral, and root, are located along the spine all the way to the tailbone, except for the 6th chakra, which is on our forehead, in between our eyebrows. And the crown chakra is actually outside of our body, hovering on top of our crown. Now we understand how our life is being affected by when the chakras are functioning or being blocked. I'm going to deep dive into each of these chakra and help you further understand why you are behaving in certain way or why some things in your life is just not going right. The root chakra is famous for the victimized mindset if it is out of balance. So what about on the other way, which is if the root chakra is spinning too slow or is too closed? This is where you start to feel very needy, very dependent, especially if you have a partner, a boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, or wife. You feel very, very needy and dependent on them. And you're very fearful about and insecure about what's going to happen next. That's why you always get very suspicious about your partners as well. And today I'm going to share with you how you can use Earth Mudra and the sound as a very quick fix to bring your root chakra back to balance.